yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving, the way they were supposed to on a screen, you know. And the words printed on the book were same as the first time they were read. What a waste! Our telebook could have millions of books in it. What a waste! I have read many books from my telebook. Where did you find it? In my house. What's it about? School. What's there to write about school? I hate schools. Do you know, once my mechanical teacher had been giving me test after test in geography, and I had been working rows and rows. And then my mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for county inspector. He was a little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with the dials and wires. He smiled at me and gave me an apple. He then took the teacher apart. I hoped he would not know how to put it together again, but he knew all right. And after an hour, so there it was again, large and black, ugly, with the big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. The part that I hated the most is the slot where I had to put my homework and test papers. I had to write them in a punch code, and which I learned when I was 6 years old. The inspector smiled and told my mother that it was not my fault that I had been doing rows in geography. It was mechanical teacher's fault. Hey, stupid, this is not our kind of school. This is the old kind of school that they had 100 years ago. Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago. But anyway, they had a teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher. It was a man. A man? How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. A man isn't smart enough. Sure, he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. I wouldn't want a stranger man in my house to teach me. You don't know much. The teacher didn't live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. And all kids learned the same thing? Sure, if they were the same age. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Just the same, they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say that I didn't like it. I want to read about those funny schools.
Margie, now it's time for school.
Not yet, Mom.
Now means now. And it's probably time for Tommy too.
Can I read the book some more with you after the school? Maybe I should now join my school.
Today's arithmetic lesson is on the addition of proper fractions. Please insert yesterday's homework in proper slot.
All schools were better. Children shouted and played in school, learned and sit together in classroom. Thanks for watching our animation. If you want more such videos, please like and subscribe our channel.